want to be one of the first person to deploy Safemoon token and make a lot of money? Then follow me in this video and I will show you how you can make millions with your own project. Investors, they won't feel sure about their investments and they won't choose strong projects. That's why Safemoon is the reference right now in the crypto space. If you fork Safemoon token, that it will give you advantage to the rest of the smart contracts that don't really provide any real value. SafemoonFork is a new generation token that was launched on Binance Smart Chain few months ago. Now is the token who everyone talks. Consider that this token was created only few months ago. It is amazing that in this short period of time, Safemoon token arrived until around $5 billion market cap last week. That's why everyone in the crypto market talk about it. Actually, the market cap of Safemoon is 2.3 billion. That's still really impressive knowing that the project has just been born. Safemoon token is in the top ranking 200 in CoinMarketCap. The performance of this token has been very accelerated thanks to the marketing driven by the team and the support that has received from the crypto market. During weeks was the token most mentioned in crypto media and CoinMarketCap.com, even received in short time more attention than Dogecoin or Bitcoin. The total supply of Safemoon is 1,000 trillion tokens. Why is this offer supply so high? The advantage of having a great offer is that the price of each token is very small. This makes people who invest believe that the price of the token is very cheap. This creates the incentive and the feeling in the people that they are buying cheaper. Safemoon has more than 2 million holders. About the circulating supply is 600 billions and the rest of the token, the team, they already born. You can find the identities of the team on their website. This made this token very transparent and reliable. Before they create Safemoon, some members of the team they already work together on another projects. In total, there are 6 people working on this project. This project was audited by Certic firm that gave a score of 88 over 100. Safemoon is an Ethereum ERC20 token working on the Binance Smart Chain. The big difference that makes Safemoon special like other projects is about the structure of fees. Safemoon charges 10% of the fees that is divided in 2 parts. The first part is that 5% of the token is redistributed proportionally to all holders. The other 5% fee go to add liquidity on PancakeSwap pool. I'm going to explain you what happened with this 5% fee that are redistributed to all holders. They don't share this 5% every time that the holder make a transaction, because this situation it will generate a lot of cost of transactions in the network. What it really happens is every time that a person buy a Safemoon token, the smart contract burns the 5% proportional at your transaction. This immediately will increase the value of the tokens that all holders have on his possession. In addition, this is a big incentive for holders to keep this token in their wallet instead of selling it, because each transaction from each person will increase the value of their tokens. This is a smart solution and one of the main reasons why the Safemoon token is the winner right now in the crypto space. One of the big critics of Safemoon token is that the team has control of the 5% of the fees that go to the liquidity pool. It means that the team can make rug pulls whenever they decide. The rug pull is when the contract owner gets the money from the liquidity pool and that creates a big drop in the price of the token. But the good thing about Safemoon is that the team is public and everyone knows the identity of the creators, what gives the project solvency and some security to the holders. Now we are going to create our own SafemoonFork token. First of all, to fork the Safemoon token, you need to know the software tools necessary for that. In this case, you will need a code editor, framework for Solidity smart contract like Truffle, Node.js, packages, and some libraries. After you have installed the software tools we need to clone the SafemoonFork, you can find the code in GitHub. download and set up the parameters for deploy your smart contract on Binance Smart Chain. Next, I'm going to show you how I deploy my Safemoon token with Truffle on Binance Smart Chain. Okay, we are deploying the SafemoonFork token on Mainnet, Binance Smart Chain. We are almost finished. Perfect. We already have our SafemoonFork token. Great. We copy the address and we go to BSCScan. We paste the address and we look for our token. Here it is. We can check. It creates 1 minute ago. If you are new here and you want to fork your Safemoon token and make a lot of money, I already created a training course where I explain in 6 videos step by step how to set up the tools, install packages and libraries, configure your MetaMask wallet with Truffle, download and customize the code on GitHub, deploy SafemoonFork in Binance Smart Chain Testnet, verify the contract in the Testnet BSCScan, and for the last, we can be able to deploy our contract in the Mainnet of Binance Smart Chain and verify the contract with the API key. After you learn how to deploy your own Safemoon token, you can add some liquidity on your pool to start to operate. The rest is all yours. If you work enough hard to make marketing on your token, you can become a millionaire. This is up to you. Have the code of Safemoon will be a good guarantee for the investors because Safemoon has a strong structured code and the community recognize the value of this smart contract. Now I will post in my description the link of my website to make a course and the link of the SafemoonFork token that I already created in Binance Smart Chain Mainnet. Thank you for following me on this video. If you have any doubt, write me in the comments and please don't forget give me like and subscribe to my channel.